Hi, welcome to our video on one of my favorite properties, the distributive property of multiplication over addition. What does that mean? Well, in general, and then we'll go to the specific here, if you had a number a and you multiplied it by x plus y, this is how you could write it. You're multiplying this number a over the addition between the numbers. And you could expand it, add more numbers. But we're distributing. What does that mean? Well, again, I think about like like a newspaper, or let's say a milk truck. Milk. And what they do is they take the milk and they distribute it to all the different stores on their route. They go here and give the store some milk. They go here and give the store some milk, and then here as well. That's distribution, right? You're giving out your product. So this time we're distributing A to these buildings over here over addition. So this works for addition or subtraction, but nothing else. So A times x plus y, well, let's just take that A and distribute it to the stores on its route, and we get A times x plus A times y. What this property says is that these two things are in fact equal. So sometimes, and you'll see it right here, instead of adding x plus y first with PEMDAS, we can multiply and kind of cut through that with the distributive property. Let's see how it works in this problem. So we have this sandwich menu, and all these different sandwiches have different prices. And Leota orders 3 small tuna sandwiches and 3 large chicken sandwiches. What is the total amount? Leota will pay for the sandwiches she orders. So let's say each tuna sandwich is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 large chicken sandwiches, which is 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is what? Well, this is 18, and this is 24. So you have 18 plus 24. What's that? Well, 20 and 10 is 30. 8 and 4 is 12. So it's 42. So how could we use the distributive property? Well, we have 3 6's. So 3 times 6 plus 3 times 8. Instead of just adding them up. And that's the same thing as going back and saying, well, 3 times 6 plus 8. Right? We could add 6 and 8 first. And that follows this format right here of A times x plus y. And I knew to pull it out because both terms, this is 3 times 8 is one term, and 3 times 6 is the other. They both have a 3 as a common factor. So you say, well, take the common factor out of there and write back in the terms that are left over, which was 6 plus 8. So this would equal 3 times what? Well, 6 plus 8 is 14. So this equals 3 times 14, which is still 42. So you could say, well, you could show it that this is how you could use the distributive property to actually find out how much, how much she spent on these sandwiches. So, and this property we'll go over in other videos about why it makes sense and other fun ways of looking at it and applications, but it's very useful. So I hope it helped. Thanks, bye.